Today we dive into turning a compact pickup into a modular recovery rig built for extreme terrain. Viewers follow a clear sequence. Assess needs, select a sturdy base, design detachable modules, and integrate a winch and recovery gear for rapid deployment. Essential tools include a portable welder, torque wrench, angle grinder, hydraulic jack, and a durable battery system, neatly organized in a mobile workbench. Common challenges like weight, corrosion, and wiring safety are addressed with practical tips and real-world workarounds. This friendly guided project empowers beginners and veterans to build confidence and skill